Hello, good morning, all of you. Today we start our subjects company law, and I will teach you nature and the kinds of the company. Do each and every person is know about the company? What is the company? Um, so let us first I explain what is the nature of the company. There in society there are the three major the forms of the business. That first one is the sole traders, partnerships, and another one is the company. Company are by and large the most effective symbol of the progress of the developing nation. Is there is a number of companies are established. There has been tremendous growth of the company in 1990 due to the new economic policy of liberalizations, the new scheme of taxations of the partnership firm, the expanding the capital market, so on. The first Company Act was passed in India in year 1860s. Thereafter, the Company Act 1866 was enacted, followed by the Company Act 1913, which was the replaced by the present Company Act 1956. The Company Act 1956 has been amended several times, and after that the Company Act 1956 was existence in the India, and now each and every company is run through this act. Now second our point is the what is the company. If anyone come and start the business, that all type of the business are included in the company? So no. The Company Act 1956 define a company formed and registered under the Company Act or an existence of the Company Act. That time of the firms are a company. Next one you have to see that what is the features of the company. For company betterment or the company run, number of features are available. Here today we study about only three features. First one,